Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. Joseph and Nick are back. They are unloading all of the PEX from their truck. The plan today is run all of these water lines in the attic while it's nice and cool this morning, and next time they come back, they will tie everything in. They got the 1 3/4 inch up there. I will be going into the attic to do a little bit of filming with Joseph while Nick is here working on getting some more of that dirt out. We're down from the attic. Nick is still working hard, trying to get to those cast iron pipes down there that we eventually need to replace. Joseph has started breaking drywall. Over here is where the first one will be. He took out a little piece there and gonna maybe take out some more. Joseph is all done with this entry area. He ended up making 3 places to access the PEX for if we ever want to make a kitchen remodel. That's where it will drop down. Heading into the garage now because we need water lines for the washer and dryer. And some of the fixtures are a little old, so we might as well replace those. Let's see where he's at. We're all done in the garage. The future plan is to have a box over here that is inside the wall for these old fixtures. Hopefully that will look a little more modern. Joseph has started on the next area, which is the current bathroom that we are using over there. Joseph and Nick just left. They have all of the PEX in the walls and attic. Next time they come, they will turn the water off, tie everything together, and we will have new water sources. Video number 165 done.